Hi friends, how are you? In this video we will learn about top 10 birds that have wings but that can't fly. Let's go! Number 10. Dodo bird. Although now extinct, the dodo was a flightless bird that inhabited the island of Mauritius. It had small, useless wings that were not capable of flight. Number 9. Wekas bird. Wekas are flightless birds native to New Zealand. They have short, stubby wings that are used for balance and limited gliding. Number 8. Takahe bird. Takahe is a flightless bird found in New Zealand. It has reduced wings that are used for balance and territorial displays. Number 7. Kakapo bird. The kakapo is a critically endangered, flightless parrot from New Zealand. It has small wings that are primarily used for balance and gliding short distances. Number 6. Rheas bird. Rheas are flightless birds native to South America. They have small, useless wings that are primarily used for balance while running. Number 5. Cassowaries bird. Cassowaries are large, flightless birds with powerful legs. They have reduced wings that are used for balance and display. Number 4. Kiwi bird. The kiwi is a unique, flightless bird found in New Zealand. It has small, vestigial wings that are hidden beneath its feathers. Number 3. Emu bird. Emus are large, flightless birds native to Australia. They have small, stubby wings that are used for display and balance. Number 2. Ostrich bird. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world and has wings that are used for balance and courtship displays. Despite having wings, they are unable to fly. Number 1. Penguin bird. Penguins are flightless birds that have adapted to life in the water. They use their wings as flippers to swim and navigate through the ocean. Kindly like, share and comment on our video. Thanks for watching.